Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the complete process of downloading and playing eFootball on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your PC or laptop. In the search bar, type Steam and press Enter. From the search results, click on this official Steam website. Once you're on the Steam homepage, look at the top right and click on the Install Steam button. This will take you to the download page. Now, click Install Steam again, and the setup file will start downloading automatically. After the download is complete, open the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam on your PC. Just click Next, choose your installation location if needed, and let it finish installing. Once Steam is installed, open it up. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, click on Create Account and quickly set one up. Now you're inside Steam. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type in eFootball, and from the results, click on the official eFootball game page. Once the game page opens, click on the Play Game button. Steam will then ask you to choose the installation location and storage drive. Select your preferred drive and click Install again. Now, just wait for the game to download and install completely. The time will depend on your internet speed, so be patient. And that's it. Once it's done, you can launch eFootball directly from your Steam library and start playing. So that's how you can download and install eFootball on your PC or laptop using Steam. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy guides. Thanks for watching.